From one user trading all the way up to becoming a millionaire, to another user betting everything against SPY and HIMS stocks, we are going to go over WallStreetBets' Messiest trades of March. Market going up is a user who might have a personal beef with SPY and HIMS stocks. Around a month ago, on January 23rd, he bought SPY puts worth $16,400 at a strike price of $605 and then dumped another $4K into it. Yet, the situation soon became ugly for him as his $20K dropped to just $1,700. However, 4 days later, Nvidia was punched in the face by DeepSeek, which led to a significant drop in SPY's share price, surging his puts value all the way to $190,000. However, some users such as Youngtree thought that he was lying. Am I missing something here? Or is this $20,040 to $191,000, not $1,700? Why are you lying, OP? Therefore, to clear the confusion, he made another post titled Clarity on the $1,700 to $191K. Sorry for double post, but I don't want to be a liar. He shared a screenshot showcasing his year-to-date $190K profit. This made him believable enough that someone commented, "You can't even spell liar. How can you be one? Much regards." Although he made an enormous profit, he still wanted more. On February 21st, he went all in and bought HIMS puts with a strike price of $49 to $13,700. Then, he bought them again for $115K. This was followed by another trade worth $44,000 and then another one worth $35K with a strike price of $55. His total investment came out to be around $209,000, but his risky trade was about to be rewarded generously. Soon after, his account surged to $485K, resulting in a 129% gain. He says, "Taking a break, see you Monday." Mori226 is a user who has been on an absolutely insane winning streak for the past few months. 7 months ago, he decided to go all in on QQQ puts, buying 200 shares worth $20,000. Just 2 days later, those puts skyrocketed in value, and his investment grew by 470%, turning that $20K into $114K. But for Mori, this was only the beginning. 4 months later, he came back swinging with yet another massive trade. This time, he dropped $26,000 on hood calls, and let's just say it paid off big time. Those calls shot up in value, netting him a gain of $155,000, despite warnings from fellow users to cash out while he was ahead, like one user who said, "Man, if you don't sell this, it's gonna go down." Mori wasn't having any of it, as his response reflected his pure confidence. "Great run so far, boys. Obligatory, this is of course going to keep going higher." And well, it did. Rather than taking his winnings and calling it a day, Mori doubled down hard. He threw another $97K into hood calls, and his portfolio exploded to $630,000. But even that wasn't enough for him. About a month ago, he went all in again, investing a jaw-dropping $280,000 into hood calls, and that's when things got truly wild. That move officially made him a millionaire. Still, his riskiest and most legendary trade was yet to come. On June 11th, 2024, Mori made his boldest play yet, putting down $123,000 on HIMS calls. And here's where the patience game came into play. While most people would panic and cash out early, Mori held strong for over half a year. Finally, on February 13th, 2025, he sold those calls for a mind-blowing $1.2 million, 10xing his original investment. Impressed by Mori's trade, Elite Mindset perfectly summed up the mood. Absolute beast of a trade. The self-control to not cash out early. Legendary. Diamond hands paid off big time. That's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed WallStreetBets' Messiest March trades. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.